Hello everyone, greetings from Venture and Career Consultants. Guys, today I am going to discuss how to make interrogative sentence by using present simple tense. So guys, in previous video I have already discussed present simple tense in affirmative sentences and negative sentences. And today's video is about interrogative sentence. So guys, we shall start with interrogative sentences in affirmative sense. So rules for the same are we use does or do. So here whenever subject is singular, does is used. When subject is plural, do is used. Now what is singular? Singular is the name of a person, a place or a thing. It also can be he, she, it. However, plural is I, we, you, they or more than one person or things. So guys, the sentence structure for the same is we use does in the starting, then it is followed by subject which is singular plus verb and object. At last we mark question. However, in case of plural, does is replaced by do and rest of the sentence structure remains same. So guys, this is all about rules. So let's understand with the help of examples. The first example is, does Sam run fast? Do you run fast? Does the taxi driver disappear? Do teachers play an important role in our society? So guys, here does has been used with a singular subject and do is with plural subject. The other example is, does she work in police station? Do you live in Canada? So guys, now let's start interrogative sentence in a negative. So here we start with doesn't or don't. The rule for the same is doesn't is followed by subject which is singular, first form of verb, object and question mark at the end. However, don't replaces doesn't when the subject is plural and rest of the structure remains same. So let's discuss few examples. Doesn't he work on his project? Don't you enjoy reading? Doesn't John start his job on 1st January? Don't we dance together? So guys, here doesn't and don't have been used to question. So guys, let us start interrogative sentence with the question word. First of all, what is question word? It's a part of WH family. So the list is in front of you. So guys, sentence structure for the same is question word is followed by does, subject which is singular, then first form of verb, object and question mark at last. Whereas in case of plural, does is replaced by do. Rest of the sentence structure remains same. So guys, let's understand with example. So first example is, where does she go in the morning? What do you do? When does Pinky come at home? Why do you tell a lie? So guys, at last there is interrogative sentence and a negative sentence with a question word. So let's start understanding the rule first. Here sentence structure is we start with question word followed by don't or doesn't depending on the subject of sentence. Then comes subject, first form of verb, object and question mark. So guys, the examples are, why doesn't he get ready on time? Why don't they like dessert? Why doesn't he try to learn French? Why don't you understand the situation? So guys, this is all about interrogative sentence in present simple tense in detail. So guys, at last, how can we forget about our homework? So sentences are in front of you on the screen. Convert them into interrogative sentences and write them in comment box. Hope this video is quite informative for you. Definitely I'll come with more videos which will provide you information. Kindly subscribe our channel. Bye bye.